Diona here. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for watching. Before we get into anything, I know it's been a couple of months since I posted, but honestly, I'm just keeping a buck with y'all. I went back to work in May and I just got really sad with everything that's going on in the world right now. My job is not where I want to be. I'm sorry, it's not. So yeah, I kind of like went back into my little dark hole because y'all know I was doing good. Like I was posting videos, like I was doing really good, but went back to work and yeah, but honestly, I'm back at work. I gotta deal with it, so I can't just keep not posting. So here I am, and I'm here with a black-owned makeup haul for you guys. I have drugstore and high-end. The places I checked out were just Target, Ulta, Sephora, and Walmart. I have quite a few items, so I don't want this intro to be super long, but I do just want to take the time out to say, if you're someone who's been, you know, subscribed to my channel for some time and you're watching this video, I just want to thank you because honestly, I know consistency is not my strong point. I'll be doing good and then I'll get sad or whatever happens in, you know, real life, and then I'll just shy away from the camera. And I'm at a place in my life where I know that my channel will not grow. I will not reach my goals if I don't continue to post. So if you're here watching this video, I just want to say thank you. And yeah, I don't want to talk too much. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. Also, last thing, ignore my nails. They're press-ons and not even like the glue kind, like I mean like the sticky adhesive kind, and they don't stay on that well, and one has already popped off, and honestly I didn't do the best job at applying them. So when you guys see like the little close-ups, you'll see my fingers, and these press-ons, they look really press-on-y. So yeah, so the first store I'm going to show you stuff from is Ulta. I only have 3 things from Ulta. All the products I got from Ulta are from Juvias Place. I wanted some things from Beauty Bakery, but they didn't have that brand. They didn't offer that brand in my location. So the first thing I got is the I Am Magic foundation. I've actually purchased this foundation before and I liked it. It just wasn't the right color. It dried down a little darker and it also dried down a little more red. So I got the shade 300. I got this and it's a little more warm, so it has more yellow, and I think it's just gonna work better for my skin. So I'm really excited about this. The next thing I got from Juvias Place is just their I Am Magic concealer, and I got the shade 9. Where's the number? Yes, I got the shade 9. It's just gonna be a really bright highlight shade. And the last thing I got from Juvias Place is the Royalty 1 loose highlighter, and this is the darkest highlighter, the one that's more like a bronzy gold, and I'm really excited to try this. I haven't swatched or anything, of course, you know, with everything going on, like we ain't got time for that. Do you guys like Juvias Place? I know their brand is kind of controversial. Do y'all rock with Juvias Place or not? Like, let me know in the comment below. So I actually forgot that I had ordered some lashes offline, so I'm gonna show you those. I actually have one of their pairs of lashes on right now from this brand called Blinx Minks. I'll of course be sure to put all the information on the screen and in the description box. I love how there's an option to actually go pick up the lashes, which is what I did. So if you're in like the Greensboro Triad area, you can actually just contact her and go pick up your things versus, you know, getting them shipped. But you can also, of course, you know, get them shipped. But sometimes you just want things like then and now, so yeah, I went and picked them up. The ones I have on now, they're called Lighter Fluid. I love these lashes, they're so cute. So I ended up getting 3 pairs of lashes from the brand, these 2 and the pair that I have on. The lashes are each $10. However, if you buy 3 or more, it's $8. So I got 3 pair for $24, which is really good, you know, for lashes because they're really cute and you can definitely reuse them. Her packaging actually was like a cute blue, but I accidentally like ripped it. I feel so bad. But yeah, it comes in like, you know, packaging like this. Like I said, hers was a really pretty like blue, and I also got an eyelash curler with mine, but I didn't lose it, I just don't have it with me like right now. The eyelash curler is somewhere because I've been using it. So yeah, I'll definitely leave all the information to this lash brand below. Let's support, let's follow her on Instagram because I just had a really great experience with her. So yeah, let's definitely support her. The next brand I've actually purchased from before, and I had no idea that they were black owned. So when I found out that they were black owned, I was so excited because their lashes are bomb, and their customer service, their shipping, their everything has just been great. I've actually ordered from them before. So yeah, the next brand is Balm Lash Extensions. I got 3 pairs of lashes. Their packaging is really cute. It comes in pink, and the actual packaging like you get in the mail is like this hot pink as well. It's so cute. So I got 3 pairs of lashes from them. The first pair is called Zoey. These are actually pretty similar to the ones that I have on right now. The next ones I got were called Mariah. And then the last options, or the last pair I got, were called Jocelyn. And you guys, again, I am just really happy that this brand is black owned because I just really like their lashes. Next, I'm going to show you the things I got from Walmart. I didn't get much from Walmart because honestly, okay, I'm sorry. I didn't get much from Walmart because it's just pathetic. Every time I go to the Walmart and like look, it's our section, the section for black people. It's pathetic. It's pathetic. And I'm just like, okay, I'm sorry y'all. That was a lot. But anyway, I got 2 of the Black Opal True Color Skin Perfecting Stick Foundations. Oh, it has SPF. I didn't know it had SPF, but it has SPF of 15. One's got 2 shades. One that I think is gonna be my shade, but in case it's too late, I got one that's just a little bit darker. I will only buy 2 shades of a foundation to make it work if it's a drugstore foundation. I'm not about to buy 2 shades of a high-end foundation to get the right color. If you've seen me on my channel using 2 high-end foundations to get a perfect shade, I didn't pay for them, I got them from my job. The next thing I got was a liquid eyeshadow from Iman. I got this that way I can mix it in with my foundations to give my skin more of a glow. This would be perfect, you know, for summer, but no one is having a hot girl, well, I take that back. Some people are still having a hot girl summer. I want it to flex like in the sun. Like I want it to be able to flex with this. The last thing I got from Walmart are hair products. I got the the Jelly Soft Curls. I just got the small packets because I wanted to try it first. But if I like it, I'm just gonna go back and get like, you know, the big bottle. The next thing I got is from Mielle, and I got 2 of these as well, but I already used one, so I can already go ahead and tell you guys that this is bomb. I do have natural hair. I never really wear my if you go back and look at videos from a long time ago, you'll see my natural hair, but I don't really wear it that much now because it makes me look so young, and yeah, it just makes me look so young. But the Mielle leave-in conditioner, you guys, I already tried this and it is bomb. So the last product I got is from Camille Rose, and it is the Honey Hydrate, and I'm really excited. It says to say, what is it? It is the Honey Hydrate Step 1 from the leave-in collection. It says golden honey based condition to provide maximum hydration, and I got this because my hair is just really dry, and also I think the packaging is just so cute. It's called Honey Hydrate and it looks like honey. Like, I just think that's so cute. So yeah, all right, so if the angle looks a little different or anything, my camera overheated and cut off. If you're new here, this is the channel of overheating cameras and watery eyes. Like, every video, either my eyes are gonna water or my camera's gonna overheat and cut off, period. So the next things I got are from Sephora. I got the Pat McGrath Mini Trans Lipstick Trio, and I love her packaging, and I love how it just comes with this, whatever this stuff that comes in her packaging. I love it, even though it makes a mess, and I'm gonna just throw it away, but I love it. Hopping on over to hair, I got the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado plus Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. Long name. I should have used this when I washed my hair the other day to tell you guys if, you know, I liked it or not, but I didn't. So yeah, but I definitely can't wait to try this. It smells so good. That's the reason why I bought it, because it smells so good, and my coworker told me about it. So yeah, hey Janine, I know you watching this video. Janine, I know you watching this video, so hey girl. So everything else I got from Sephora is just from Fenty Beauty. So I got the Fenty Beauty Custom Chiseled Shape Effortless Contoured. What? Okay, what's the name of the brush? Okay, here it is. This is the Sculpting Bronzer Brush from Fenty. I like her brushes. I also wanted to try her sponge. I've never personally tried her sponge, honestly, because it's so light and my makeup is so dark. But I do need a new sponge, so I figured I would just give it a try and I guess just deal with it looking dirty all the time. Another brush I got from Fenty was the Tapered blending brush. Now I went ahead and bought her brow pencil and I got the shade Soft Black. Now honestly, I was not gonna buy this because I do not like the brush at the end of this pencil. That's the only reason why I haven't bought it yet, was because I don't like the little brush at the end of the pencil, honestly. But I've already used the pencil and I guess it's not like the worst thing ever, but I do not like that ugly brush on the end of her pencil. I felt like we could just do a spoolie, like a spoolie. Next I got another gloss bomb. The first one that I got was Fenty Glow, which was her original one she came out with, but this time I decided to get the hot chocolate, which came in like her Christmas set and she ended up making it permanent. Yeah, I just decided to get the hot chocolate this time. Last two products I got from Fenty I'm super excited about because I have really dry skin, so when she came out with like a hydrating primer I was really excited. I got the Soft Silk Primer. Y'all, this feels, I guess it feels like silk, like on your face. It feels so good. It's so hydrating. I don't know what took me so long to buy it, but I really wanted that one, so I just went ahead and got it. The last thing I got from her is just her Baby What It Do spelled D-W, that's so cute, but the Baby What It Do setting spray, and I'm really excited about this because it's a dewy setting spray, and like I said, my skin is really dry and I be looking real crusty. I probably look real crusty right now and my eyes are probably like really dark because I got dark circles and my concealer is coming off. The last brand or the last store I got stuff from is from Target. From Taraji P. Henson, I got a curl refresher with City Shield. It says repel, seal, and revive. It is for wavy, curly, and coily hair. It says it's a hair refresher that acts as a filter, helping your hair flourish despite exposure to humidity and other environmental elements. Your ultimate defense against frizz and style slayers. Honestly, I didn't read all that when I picked it up at Target because I was really trying to get in there and get out, but I'm glad it does all this. So I'm definitely excited about this. Wow, okay, I'm excited about this. Okay guys, we are almost done. Thank you so much if you're still here. We're almost done. All I have left are things from the lip bar. So the first thing I got from the lip bar is a liquid eyeshadow, and it's like a bronze color. Hopefully it works well. The reviews were good. Everyone was just complaining because it was like, oh, it's so glittery, but I'm like, it looks glittery in the packaging. You know, people just be saying anything, but whatever. So the next thing I got is a eyeshadow palette from them, and I was hoping to use this and then use this as a topper on top of it, so I'm excited to try that. The last three products are lip products, and I got a vegan waterproof liner. It's a matte lip liner and like a plum shade. Next, I got a vegan liquid matte lipstick. I got this to go with the lip liner. Hopefully, you know, it matches perfectly. And then the last thing that I got from them is a vegan lip gloss. And I'm really excited because this is like a nude shade and like a true, it looks like it'd be a true nude for like a brown skin girl. So I'm super excited to try this. Alright, so if you made it this far, you're a real one because it is the end of my haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Definitely leave me a comment below of some of your favorite black owned beauty brands, whether it's like a friend's business or your own personal business, whether it's small or large. I don't discriminate. I don't only shop big brands. So yeah, definitely leave some black owned brands below, and also let me know if you've tried any of the products that I mentioned, and let me know how you feel about them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.